Just feeding the tuna. Probably 20 or 30 here, just having to feed. Look at that. There's a nice one. It's a big fish there. Right here now. Careful you don't eat the camera.
What surprised you if they get it?
You got to be getting some good pictures there. I don't think we'll probably get a hook in one, will we? We probably wouldn't get a hook in one, would we?
This is what we needed right here.
Look at that. I want that big one. Oh, I put in your eat to go. Amazing. Simply amazing. Some guys from Florida here. We're gonna
Look at that.
got them in a bit of a frenzy here now, and we're just
Look at
gonna.
that one right there. Oh, that was a big one. Remember topping that over? You see that? Yeah, he was on his back.
That's unreal. I want that big fella.
Yeah,
There's a real. Oh, that.
got a hook. I got those small. That's a small fish there.
Yeah, I don't want him.
Another small one. There's a good one right there. It's not the biggest one though, but that's a better. There's a good one.
All right, guys, you want to hook one?
Sure.